Hi everyone, and welcome to the Everyday Gourmet today. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious Italian meatballs. These meatballs are so easy to make, and they're always a crowd pleaser. First, you will need the following ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, ½ cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup chopped parsley, 1 egg, ½ cup breadcrumbs. If you don't have any breadcrumbs, you can use crushed crackers instead. To make the meatballs gluten-free, use gluten-free breadcrumbs, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 28-ounce can crushed tomatoes, 14.5-ounce can diced tomatoes, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, a ½ teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. In a large bowl, combine the ground beef, Parmesan cheese, parsley, egg, breadcrumbs, salt and pepper. For extra flavor, you can add 1/4 cup chopped onion and 1/4 cup chopped garlic to the meatball mixture. Mix well, then form the mixture into 1-inch meatballs. Place the meatballs on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20-25 minutes or until cooked through. You can also bake the meatballs in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Now for our delicious yet simple sauce. In a large saucepan, combine the crushed tomatoes, diced tomatoes, tomato paste, oregano, garlic powder and onion powder. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes. Add the cooked meatballs to the sauce and simmer for an additional 5 minutes. Serve the meatballs with your favorite pasta. You can also serve them on a hoagie roll with your favorite toppings. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this delicious Italian meatball recipe. If you try this recipe, let us know in the comments below how you like them, and be sure to give the recipe a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more recipes.